Hi dudes, it's me Yadu back with a brand new video, and this also is for the creators. I mean to say this video is also for the creators. This video is completely a creator helping video which can help a creator to grow heights on this YouTube. So without wasting any more time, let's get started directly into the video.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest quality tech videos and don't forget to select that bell icon.
So in this video I'll be showing you how can you see how many people have clicked on your videos, or how many people have just watched your video thumbnails and they have gone away without clicking on them. So YouTube Studio Beta alert tutorial, by the way. So first of all, as you guys can see, once you open the YouTube Studio Beta from YouTube Studio Classic mode, you guys can see here a lot of analytics about or progress about your channel. You guys can watch it here itself about the progress of your channel. It's pretty cool, you know. You have the latest things. So here you can go to analytics, click on the analytics tab at the left side of your screen. Just wait for the YouTube to come up with your analytics. As you guys can see, click on overview. At the overview, as you guys can see, there are a lot of overviews what I got about my channel. Like, have get almost 17 subscribers on the way from March 24 to April 23rd. As you guys can see here, you can select the date and the time. Currently we can select up to 90 days itself, because it has been 90 days till the our audio new impressions are released. So it has been 90 days after new features have been released. So here as you guys can see, 42.0k, I mean 42,000 people have watched your video thumbnails and your title, and among them 9.5% have clicked on it, remaining have not clicked. I mean to say that your thumbnails and titles have a huge difference between your views and your videos. So what the viewer is searching, they are not getting the ideal one once when they are suggested in another video or they have watched your video thumbnails. So 42.0k people have watched your video thumbnails and titles listed in any of the suggested one, I guess. So this resource can help you to get how many people have viewed your video retention and how many people have started to click upon your videos. And by this analytics analyzation, you can develop your strategies or thumbnail styles in order to grow on this platform. So I think you found this video helpful, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe down below. Hope you love this one. Subscribe and press the bell notification icon for the next one. Stay tuned and have a nice day.